going to be making a wildflower seed bomb that you can throw into your garden or in the park. And we have got some wildflower seeds which are bee friendly or butterfly friendly. It'll be a surprise what they come out as. There's your sunflower seeds. So there's one part of flower seeds, sorry, not sunflower. We've got some potter's clay, specific type of brown or red potter's clay that you can use for seed bombs. And then we've got some compost or some earth that you could dig out from your garden. You don't need to have compost for it necessarily. And the measurements are quite rough, but there's 1 part of flower seeds to 2 to 3 parts of potter's clay. This is in volume, not in weight. To 5 parts of compost. You pop them all in a tray together, quite simple. Now give them a mix together with your hands so they're all well combined. And what we need to do is to kind of make them into a sticky substance so they'll mould together nicely. So you slowly add a little bit of water, not a lot to start with. Just mix it up. See if it'll form a ball. The size of the balls is up to you really. Just squash them together. You can really see the seeds sticking out of these. Going to get nice and messy doing this. There you go, you got quite a few there. Can maybe add that to that one. And what you have is a lovely collection of seed bombs that you can use. So you need to leave those somewhere sunny and warm to dry. And once they're dry, you can just throw them out into your garden. And then they will hopefully grow and you'll have some lovely bee friendly